Guys, we're having some major breakthroughs for Bitcoin right now. Most people are going to miss the next big move. Guys, today I need to update you so that you can be prepared because there's something dangerous on the horizon and most people are going to get caught off guard. Guys, stick around for this. I am going to update you about what's been happening for Bitcoin. Why are we seeing a pump right now? What is the next move going to be? How can you prepare for it? I'm also going to update you if you are following me on the journey to make $1 million out of $4,000. We are not there yet. We have a long way to go. However, we're having some major breakthroughs on this as well, guys. So make sure to stick around if you're following my strategies right here. Big things have been happening the last 24 hours. Stick around. I will talk about all of this. So welcome back, everybody. My name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you are new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. Okay, we're having some major breakthroughs for Bitcoin. The first thing you can see is that we finally broke through this orange line right here, 27,205. And as you know, I've been talking about the next levels of resistance, which would be this yellow line up here, and this yellow line, well, this yellow line is at, just for reference, 27,440, and this one, 27,717. So after breaking through the orange line, you can see that we went up. We tried to break through this level, this yellow line, a couple of times. 2 times, tried to break through it, failed to do that. And what did we see? We did see a pullback right down to the orange line. So you can see how the Bitcoin price is respecting these levels. The Bitcoin price is reacting to these levels, and especially look at the perfect on the dollar. If you just bought off this orange line right here on the dollar, it actually hit it. If you go to something like the hourly time frame, you can see it even more clearly. Trying to break through it right here, boom, going down, finding support, and now potentially another leg up. Now, overall, I'm still bullish on Bitcoin. As you know, I've been bullish for, let us go to the long-term chart here. I've been bullish since we broke through the RSI here on this triangle. This is something I've been waiting for so long, for us to break through this triangle here on the RSI, which actually hasn't happened in the 26th of December, which was, when was that? 26th of December. It was actually right here when Bitcoin was at 16,300. But you know this if you've been following my channel. And we do have pullbacks. We're going to have pullbacks. However, we're now inside of this teal box. And again, I stick to my strategy, which I've been talking about for the last 1 year or so. We've been waiting for us to cross this white line. And right now I am in massive buy the dip mode. If we see another correction, if we see Bitcoin go down, then I will be buying the dip. This is something I'm sharing on my channel, sharing everything with you, and that is how I intend to make $1 million, and you will see all of this on the channel. However, let's continue here and look at the shorter time frames. First off, you can see that we are now on the 4-hourly time frame. Actually, we're still on the 1-hourly. So let's go to the 4-hourly. You can see that we are above the 100 period moving average on the 4-hourly time frame. Now, a key thing is on the daily time frame. You can also see that we are, this 50-day moving average is all the way up here. So apart from these resistance levels, these yellow lines, we don't really have that many super big resistance levels in terms of moving averages, in terms of something else. However, one very important thing is that this is the same level we've been rejected of 3 times, okay? No, more than 3 times. Look at how many candles we were trying to break through right here. Look at how many candles we were trying to break through right here. And now the question is, of course, 3rd time is a charm, or is it? Are we going to break through it the 3rd time right now? We try to make a big effort here, We're trying to make an effort right here as well. So overall, things are still looking bullish. However, we are at the point right now where we've been rejected pretty hard from previously. So we're keeping attention to that, of course. So if we look at our trading strategies, if we disregard all of this, and by the way, just one more thing I want to say actually on the daily time frame is that we have these 2 trend lines, which are important. And if we just extend these, okay, we extend this one right here, and you can see that even if we see a big pump for Bitcoin, this is all the way up at like $31,000. So on the daily time frame, we still have a lot of room left to go before we hit this level and even to hit this previous top level. This is actually at like $33,000-$35,000 should we have a big pump. So big resistance levels. The markets have been cooling off because we did see big pumps here. We did see big pumps from the bottom at 16K. What I think is the bottom, at least. This is my go-to theory, that we did hit the bottom right here at 16K. However, we did see big pumps, and now the market has been able to cool off a little bit, and I do think that we are ready to continue to the upside over time. Okay, so that is what I'm watching out for. Now, traditional markets are still going sideways a little bit here, and that is not too bad. Actually, I do think it is Bitcoin's time to shine very soon. Now, let's talk about our trading strategies. As you know, we have hit a lot of milestones using these strategies. We've made over $25,000 just by using these alone, and I've been sharing everything. In fact, before I go into these spots, I'm able to share all of this stuff with you, the settings, how to join, etc. I always go in and I show you it from 0%, and you will be able to track if I'm making profit, if I'm getting wrecked. As you know, I'm sharing everything on the channel. And now we've hit a major milestone, guys. Another major milestone, because you can see that the trading strategies, they've been through ups and downs. However, now every single one of these bots in the current batch, and the current batch is of course these 6 bots right here, which were opened at the 25th and 26th of April. So they've been open for less than 1 month. Every single one of these ones are now at a profit, which means that every single trading bot I've ever opened on the channel is at a profit. All of them. So if you at any point entered into any of these trading strategies, these trading bots, you should be up extremely much. Especially if you got in very early, then you should be up like a couple of 100% already. And remember, we've only been using them for just over 2 months in total since I started to talk about this. If you want to know more about these trading strategies, of course, I do have several tutorials at the top of the description. And if you go to my channel, just go down, you have all of these videos. I've been sharing everything with you, like how to make 400% profit in 10 days. This is when I entered a couple of the bots. I entered a couple of bots here, $10,000 to $14,000, or 10 days to $14,000, and so on. I'm sharing everything with you. Now, the big thing is that we are not yet, and this is specifically for those who are using these strategies, so we are not yet at the point in which we have hit the take profit prices for these bots I've been waiting for. So we have 3 bots in particular, this Ethereum bot, this Bitcoin bot, and this Bitcoin bot. I'm waiting for them to hit the take profit price. Where is that price going to be? $28,000 for Bitcoin. So if we reach 28, we clear both of these, and 1,904 for Ethereum. So if we come up to that point, then these profits are going to be taken on the bots, and that is going to be a good thing. Now, as you know, I did add hedge trades. So I shared all of this with you. If you go down, you can see I entered into an Ethereum hedge trade and a Bitcoin hedge trade. And if you want to know more about the reason why and why, how this is going to work, just click on this. It takes you to the actual page, which takes you to the actual video, and you can watch it in your favorite language. So why did I open these hedge trades? Well, watch these videos to understand why. But the hedge trades right now, one of them is the Bitcoin trade is at a profit, and the Ethereum trade is at a loss. And remember, this is fine. This is how it's designed to work. It is supposed to go down and be at a loss because it's equalizing out the trading bots here. So until we reach that take profit price. So that's absolutely fantastic. Still waiting for us. Can we see another move above this white yellow line? Then we could come up and hit that take profit price in the $28,000 range for Bitcoin. So this is still what I'm waiting for, guys. This is still what I'm doing. And yeah, guys, I will continue to show everything here on the channel. And of course, if you want to use these strategies yourself, you are able to do that. Go to the description. In the description, you will find a link to OKX. You can claim up to $60,000 by using this link right here. Once you have signed up using this link, then you can go up, join the OKX trading bot competition for a limited time. You're able to earn even more by clicking on this link and joining the competition. And then once you have done both of those things, you can go down and use my exact settings for the bots by clicking on these links, setting it up with just 1 click. And if you're not able to use OKX, you can use 3 commas instead. So make sure to use this. And if you want to get all of the settings all of the trading journals and everything I'm sharing with these two documents. Here are all the bots. If you want to use spot as well, you can do that. But you have all of those resources in the description. But for now, we're waiting for that big decisive move for Bitcoin, which I think is going to come sooner rather than later. Now, we did have a major breakthrough in terms of the debt ceiling. As you know, the US, the world really doesn't have any other choice but to raise the debt ceiling, which is going to mean like everything just trends in one particular direction towards more money printing. So this is still how it's going to work moving forward, but it gets more clarity, like it gets more stability when you have these officials come out and say that we are about to reach a deal so that we can start to raise the debt and we can start to print more money essentially. So that is absolutely fantastic. Also, Biden reiterated once again that default is off the table. Default meaning that the US is not going to run out of money, meaning they are going to raise the debt ceiling. So that is what we're watching out for. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. You know what to watch out for, big resistance levels, but the support level is still holding strong here. Overall, bots still adding more profits every single day here. So that's absolutely fantastic. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.